got invited for a party and you have no idea what makeup look to wear, well, this video is for you. Sometimes you have no idea of the kind of makeup you want to put on for your party, your event, whatever the theme of the party is. This video got you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing me, hi, my name is Sindy Akpolo. Welcome back. So starting off my bare face, I'm gonna be moisturizing my face, and next I'm using a foundation. This foundation is from Too Faced. This is a matte foundation. They recently came out with a matte foundation. I've forgotten how matte this foundation is, and this foundation is really light on my skin. Because it's light on my skin, I'm gonna go in with a concealer that is slightly darker than this foundation. So I'm using another concealer from Too Faced. This is the Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer. This concealer is really good. I love this concealer so much. So I'm gonna be using this concealer to highlight the areas of my face where I want to be highlighted. Next, I'm gonna go in with a contour. I'm using this one from Beauty to contour the areas of my face where I want to contour my nose, the side of my face, and my forehead, head. And next I'm gonna go in with a cream blush. I'm using the cream blush just to give me an illusion of a soft look underneath my makeup. Using the blush, I'm gonna blend it all the way down to my under eye. I love the way it looks when I blend my blush to my under eye. That gives a really soft look, and I love it so much. So I'm gonna use the second concealer. If you know me by now, I love using a second concealer to highlight my face. I'm gonna use this one from Beauty. It's really light. When I'm done using that, I'm gonna go to blend the rest of my face, blend everything in together so there's no harsh lines. We don't want no harsh lines. Regardless of the type of makeup we're going for, we try to avoid any harsh lines. So while I was blending my makeup, the power went off. If you're in Nigeria, you should know by now, NEPA took the light. So I had to wait for a few hours for NEPA to bring back the light, or for the power to get restored. And when it got restored, I went back in to blend my face. As you can see, my face is really light. I had to apply another concealer so my under eye does not crease. Next, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty setting powder. This is in honey, and I love this powder so much. So this powder is similar to the Too Faced concealer I used earlier. Is in honey and is really good. I love the undertone in this powder. And next, I'm gonna contour my face like you can see me doing in this video. I'm also gonna apply my blush from Milani. This blush is a must-have. If you don't have this blush in your collection, you need to go get yourself one of these. It is really good. I love this blush, and it has shimmer to it. Obviously, that's the reason why I love this blush. Yes. And next, I'm gonna bake my under eye using Inglot setting powder. This is my go-to powder whenever I'm stepping out, especially when I want my makeup to last longer. This is what I use. I went off camera to do my brows. You guys have seen me do my brows a couple of times. And next, for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this one from Mood Beauty. I'm just basically doing some of the eyeshadows. So because it's a party makeup, we want to play with shimmers. So I'm basically just gonna be doing my eyeshadow the regular way I do it, just basically applying some of the shimmers. And I went off camera to apply my liner, my mascara, and my lashes. You guys have seen me do that a couple of times. Next, for highlighter, I'm gonna be using this Inglot highlighter with Jennifer Lopez. I love this highlighter so much. Majority of the products I used in this video are majorly my go-to products whenever I'm going out for a party, for an event, and I want my makeup to last all day. These are my go-to products. And when I'm done doing that, I'm gonna spray my face using the MAC Fix Plus in matte. This Fix Plus is a good one. And I'm also gonna be lining my lip. For my lip, today we're gonna be keeping our lips simple, so I'm gonna be using the lip gloss from Zikel. I love the shade of this gloss. The gloss I chose is really cute. And let's not forget our blotting powder. So I went in with the blotting powder for today's makeup. We're not gonna be skipping that. If you know, you know. We don't skip blotting powder on this channel. Guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comment section down below if you love this makeup. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Hit the notification bell to stay connected. Bye guys.